In this video, we're going to show you how to assemble your chair. Clear a space on the floor, unpack the box, lay out all the parts neatly and move the box out of your way. First of all, place the gas stem into the underside of the seat and then place the base on top of the gas stem. Next, tip the chair so it's the right way round. And then place the backrest onto the seat pan. Next, locate the armrests into the bracket underneath and screw them into place. Your chair is now fully assembled and ready to be used. Watch our next video to learn how to set up your chair.